microphone. I think everything is alright. I'm still a bit rusty about this, and I'm hearing too much music. Hopefully it's okay for you. No, it's still a bit loud, I think. Let's do it like this. Should be good. Now. Welcome everyone. The camera is... Camera? What's happening? Can you stop shaking? More folks. We need to talk because the App Store review was not really well. Let me just show you. I have a bunch of errors. This is this. Can I make it bigger? Yes, I can make it bigger. So we have a bunch of problems. The first one was the EULA. So this I fixed it this morning because I had a different one between the terms of use in the app and the metadata on the App Store. So I changed this. It was just a copy paste. Then we are starting the interesting things. We noticed that one or more of your renewable subscriptions is marketed in the purchase flow in a manner that is may mislead and confuse users about the subscription terms or pricing. So this one is going to be interesting because I'm using a paywall of Revenue Cat, you know, the paywall feature. Where is it? I should have done this before. Paywalls. And I think what they don't like is that here it's written the monthly price for the yearly one instead of like the direct price, and it's written billed at. So I guess that's what they don't like, but it's a guess because I have no clue. And this one, but it's the same, so I don't know what's going on. So what I'm going to do is to duplicate this, I think. That's the one, because I would like to keep this paywall. Can we discard changes? Can we just duplicate this? Yes. And this one, we are going to be App Store review. Okay. Does this work? Voila. I'm gonna let it like this. And then we'll see, because I don't really know what they want. I need a bit dark now. The camera is looking a bit darker. Yeah, I think I should. Make it a bit lighter, right? Yeah, because there is sun outside here, so and we can see that I played VR just before the stream. Thank you. What? What just happened? Crap. Selected. It's gonna be the same. Thank you. Save change. Yeah, because is it working? Because sometimes when you're switching mode, it just doesn't save anything. I discovered this the other day. No, I think it's okay. So I'm gonna give it a try like this. What are the errors, please? This is so annoying. I don't know what's going on again. Offering default. Can I select an offering? You need to duplicate the offering? Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm gonna delete what I just did. Thank you. Here, duplicate offering. I'm trying because I have no clue. I really don't know. And now we can. Okay. But that's the thing that I cannot change. I think I need to specify which one I want to use, right? I have a payroll view. Where are you? No, display payroll, that's all. We are good. So it means on here. How can I fucking select it? Ah, make it active. And why I cannot make this active? Can you explain to me? This is so confusing. Make default. To be honest, I don't know what I'm doing. See on the app, because it should work directly, right? I'm an admin, so it won't be working. I need to put this in the admin section actually. Let's do this. Admin here. Okay. I don't really need a navigation link because it's gonna be a boolean. Let's see. Rectangular. Do you have something like? Let's take this one. I should have created a component for this for really long time, but I haven't, as you can see. I will refactor this later on. Alors, we need to display now the paywall, and I'm going to just see how it works. Is it in the components? Yes, it is. Where is the sheet? This one. We don't have a foreground color here. And we need to have a boolean for this. We need to import revenue cat. And we need the subscription manager. And I think, for example, we are going to try it on that emulator before to try it on my phone. Let's see if we can trigger this view. I'm on the wrong profile, of course. Which one is it? If it is this one. Can I do this? No. Non. Ah oui. Of course, it doesn't work. So we trigger the thing, which is the purpose of this, and I wanted to add you the modifier here. Hopefully my phone doesn't have anything to download on Xcode. Otherwise it's going to take forever. Like this. I think I need to pick up a cable, folks. Yes. Okay. Alors, can we do this Xcode? Come on. That's really annoying because it looks that I will have to kit Xcode. No, it's good. Good. Yes, it is. Because sometimes I have the feeling that I need to quit Xcode to let him see something. Hello, paywall. I'm sorry I cannot share this with you. And it's good. So now we are displaying the right paywall. The terms are they displayed? Yes, they are. Privacy is displayed. So I think we should be good. Realizing that I forgot to do this. It's going to be easier for you to see anything. We are good for this. Remind me of the auto renewal subscriptions promotes the free trial or introductory period for the see more clearly or consumption than the billed amount. Your auto renewal subscription displays the monthly calculated pricing. Maybe I should check all their screenshots as well. Because there is an offering. Let me check this because I didn't see that. Your image is rejected? What the fuck is going on? Okay, alors, images are not mandatory, so I'm going to solve this pretty quickly by removing them. What the fuck? That's amazing. The last time they were rejecting it because it was too close of the too close from the app icon, This is really interesting. Anyway, let's say they are just doing their job and what they are asked to do. Cannot blame them for this story. Alors, I was initially checking the gray offering. Where is the offering? It's not there. Free the first 3 days. Do we have anything on there? To make it easy, there is an introductory offer, so why? I don't understand what to do. It is an introductory offer, so how can I do this? Add a component, what do we have? Yeah, that's the same, really understand, folks.
Just wanna pack up my things and go. Just wanna be free, just wanna zone, just wanna flow, just wanna hang with the gang, but sometimes chill on my own. Just wanna do me, just wanna doze, just wanna live and see how it goes. And the goals just keep on going, yeah. This life we live is a roll. When there's love in the rave, you know. When there's love in the rave, you know. All inside you, all in the soul. You know when the calling's calling you, when the calling's calling more. You know when the calling's calling you, it's calling.
The thing is, I cannot see how to change that. Am I missing something? Maybe if I'm just copy pasting this. And this one. understand why are they. That's gonna be fun! Free for the first week.
You know when the calling's calling.
Just realizing that I should check online because voilà. The one used is it's not written there. That's weird. Why is it not applied? Bon, I'm gonna copy paste this. Free for 1 week, then now this one is. Free for 3 days. Then okay. Everything is the same now. Yes. And this one is not the same everywhere. I hope this is going to solve the issue. This is the I'm just going to do this. Okay. How can I remove the per month? Press per period. This is the variable I should be using. Price, this one. Voilà. Same here actually. Okay. Good. How does it work live? To kill the app apparently. that works. Save change again, publish change again. So the paywall thing should be alright. Then we have auto renewal subscription for the free trial. Okay, that's good. Project auto renewal subscription purchase flow. Okay. Alors, this one I should have thought about it. How can I? Well, first we are going to create a button. We'll see the thing afterwards. Alors, I'm gonna put this in settings, of course. I think make me think that I still don't have created. Should do this because I entirely forgot to do the. I'm gonna put this here. Check this because, to be honest, it was not the plan because I didn't think about it. So I'm gonna check how it looks because I don't know. That's ugly as shit, folks. That's really not good. And if I'm putting this here, no. I'm so pissed against this. Okay, I'm going to prepare. A lot of options, huh? That's a bit ugly, but it will do the job. And here there is no stroke in my right. Because it's gonna be only for the usage here. That's after the yes. Bada boom. This is a bit too much. This, delete my account. I think I would like to create a gray version of this. cannot. How can I fix that? Because I don't want to create a specific version. After, to be honest, I just need to do this one. No, this one. That's exactly what I'm going to do. So this is completely useless now. I should discard the changes on this one. Okay. Okay, foreground style is gonna be color.gray. Let's see now. My footer is a bit clumsy now. Because I sign out. I'm doing this because I need to write my password after. I'm just realizing that you cannot see the password writing. Thank you. Well, we have this, but it's signing out. The fuck is happening with this button? What? What is happening? That's interesting. What I was let me check something because that's a bit weird. And I don't like weird. I really don't like weird. It depends. It really depends. Because this button, as you can see, doesn't trigger anything. Now it triggers the haptic. But that's really not good. And you can see more and more I'm logging out, I'm logging in, and badder is the picture here. It's not for today, but I really need to figure this out. What is happening? That's interesting. After, if it continues, I know what I'm going to do. It's been a while that I've heard this track. Ooh la 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 la. What is that? That's weird, no? Alors, can you explain to me? Am I blind or something? It's insane. I really don't understand what's going on. This one works? Sometimes I'm asking myself, I'm not just out of my mind, you know, something normal and I just don't see it. Fucking God. I really don't understand. Bon, what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this because now we know that it's not coming from this. Here I need a function. Still don't understand how this is possible. That's interesting, right? Maybe I should also start to a section for this. No, if model dot signing, we are displaying it. That's what's going to happen. Voila. I need this actually. Do we need this? I don't think we need this. We might need the bottom padding. This is going to go away. And I'm going to add this here. Voilà. Let's see. And the picture is degrading, you see it? And my button still do trigger something that it shouldn't. After I'm going to make it doing something else. And I forgot how we are displaying an alert view, but I'm doing it already for this. This one. So it shouldn't be able to log out, right? Oh my goodness. That's unbelievable. What the fuck is going on? Funny part is when I'm going to figure this out, I'm going to say, yeah, of course. As usual, huh? Oh. Sorry, because my eyes are bleeding when I'm saying stuff like that. I need to understand why it's doing this, huh? My goodness. Let me do this because I'm kind of... What is going on? would like to solve this because I would like to make myself a coffee. What is wrong with this button? Can you tell me? Because what am I not seeing there? Wait. What I'm gonna do is I guess something is taking more space than it should. So let's see if we can fix this now. Because I cannot see. Fucking God. Is it because it's the same section? You cannot have two buttons in the same section? Is it seriously? After I wouldn't be surprised now. Oui. That's really interesting, huh? It's a bit annoying because I was really not expecting to use this amount of time to just create a button. Okay. Bon. I would like to have a text with it, so that's the way to do it. Okay. Alors, let's see how it looks. Fantastic, fantastic, fantastic. There is a lot of spacing there. Let's remove everything to have a bit of control. Yes. I don't have any padding anywhere. No. That's interesting. So you cannot have twice the same. Is it because it was in a VStack? That's interesting. Oh my goodness, what is that? How was this button before? Just the padding. I really don't understand how the border or the stroke can be placed outside of the view. I really don't understand, because that's what was happening here. I really don't like this, folks. It looks really bad. So what I'm going to do, because the user, I'm so pissed against this. Okay. Alors, what I'm going to do is to put this here. I don't need a separator thing because there is, I think I don't need this actually because there is only one element in it. I'm going to remove this padding as well. And I was using this. Okay. That was too much. Too many paddings for one area. Where do we have? What? First, I don't have the feeling that the sections are removing. What is the... Is it row spacing? This one needs to be there as well, I think. space. So this worked. This worked. I need to do it there as well. That's a lot of things. Huh? And from something who was looking a bit nice, it's becoming like this stack of things. I really don't like this. And to be honest, I don't really know how to solve this. What if because this I need to display it. That's not a question. Is it better? No, it was really better before. Don't see any other solution than this one. I'm just thinking that I'm going to try out something else. No, that's not this one. I should put it this one. Is it this? Okay. If I can do this, oh, my back hurts, you cannot imagine. Okay. Okay, that's better like this. And it means, so it was because of the V stack. That's interesting. I learned something today again. And this one, the spacing is gonna be 4. And this doesn't need anything actually. this amount of space on the... If I'm putting less, it's gonna be really... Imagine it's 0. Is it going to be really... because there is... I didn't specify the spacing inside the section. Yes. So this is useless. Oh, I'm gonna keep it like this. With 4. And here. I'm deciding with myself what is good enough. Maybe what I could... let me check something. Okay. Alors, I have this now function. If it's successful, I want to sign out. Oh, it's there already. We are going to start with this one because after what I would like to do, because we need to delete everything that the user created, all the products as well. I can delete the product first. Right, but if anything is... Well, let me try out this one already. The alert view, where is it? Here. To delete myself, folks. Voilà. Publishing changes from background threads is not allowed. Why? That's First, I should have checked because now it's too late. No, I still have this. If the user is still in the CloudKit database, it means that something is wrong. I cannot copy paste from there. Alors 00 786. No, it's directory. I think it worked, huh? Yeah, because I just have one account now. So it has deleted. I really don't understand why. This doesn't have to be public first. Where is the sign out? Wait, my friend. Dispatch queue.main.async. Let's do it again. Yeah, because the thing is, I just deleted my account, but the entry log is still there. So here I should have new user, creating a new user saved successfully, perfect. And here I'm going to write Jeremy Gandalf the White. The bold. Save. Voilà. Now if I'm going back to CloudKit, I should see a new user called Jeremy Gandalf. Voilà. Ah, it's funny because the ID doesn't change. Okay. I thought it was a random one, but it doesn't look, it's random. Yeah, I don't like this because the statue is not active anymore. Why? When I'm creating a user, the statue should be right away active. So this is populating a new line, and this what is doing. Okay, so when we are creating a user, it's like this, but when we are whatever, and when we are editing, save user to CloudKit. Okay, so this shouldn't change, right? So we are going to do a test on this, because every time I was changing the step, changing something on the user side, it was erasing my changes, which something I really don't want. So we are going to delete this account again. Good. Let's check if it's there. This should disappear. Yes. So let's do it again. Alors, I should have a new one. And the statue is active. So now, look at what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna say that I'm an admin, because that's true. And I need to restart, because otherwise it won't have the change I just made. So here we should see admin. Okay, good. So imagine I'm changing my username by developer the great. I don't need picture, thank you. And save. Voilà. I'm loading again. Question is, am I still admin? Yes, I am. That's a success. Sorry. Where is developer the great? Here. And developer the great is still an admin. So this is great. Alors, now, if you can see here, I should have, yeah. So I have stuff here. This shouldn't be there. So what I need to do is to create another function on my product, which is product view model. Where are you? Here. I need to be able to delete everything. I'm gonna ask my friend here. Bon, after I already doing my coffee. Looks great. Alors, delete all products should be at the delete record. Is it this one? Yes, it is. So we are going to do this first. Wait, Jeremy. Wait. I'm not sure this is going to work, huh? First, because I really don't like calling a view model from another view model, but in theory, this should be working. There is probably a lot of best practices for this that I'm not aware of. Alors, we have our product. Yes, we have. So, if I'm doing this, a lot of things should be happening. Okay, there is no errors, nothing. I'm logging in. Everything should be empty, huh? And stays empty. But it works. Ah, the favorites. I forgot the favorites. I forgot the favorites. I forgot where is it actually. Where are saved the favorites already? Folks, there is so many things in this app. View model, is it in the settings? Yeah, my favorite brands. Well, that's gonna be easy to erase. It's an origin. What am I doing? Do this, because that's the question. I don't know. Oh, yeah, of course. No. How can I fucking god, I'm so bad. I'm feeling so stupid at the moment. Ah, you declared this is the thing. This should do the thing. After, to be honest, this should do this. I should also something better. What was the thing already? Voilà. Yeah, but I should do this after the product view model because otherwise I'm going to lose everything because I'm going to launch the onboarding back. Where are you? Here. Can I do this? No. Allez, let's go. Onboarding complete is going away as well. Auto skip loading. Setting. While setting, we can do them as well. Filter, one missing. Voilà. So now we have everything is getting deleted. Hopefully. Where I am here. Let's give it another try. And I hope that time it's the good one. Let's go. Bada boom. So it means that if I'm reload, I should have the onboarding. Hopefully. Trigger. No. Why? Why the onboarding has not been deleted? This has been reinitialized because it shouldn't be at 0. But the I'm going to do is to manually say here that's a bit ugly, but it should be working. All good. Now let's check if the favorites are not there anymore. Oui. I should have an empty state for this. Oh my gosh. Sorry, I forgot. I wanted to test the music stop. Does it mean that I really should do my coffee? Yeah, because it's already 4 after. You know what it means. I cannot sleep anymore. Delete my account. Boom. Why the onboarding is not triggered? Am I forgetting something here? No. And let me remove this one. Where is onboarding? Can I do it again? Ah, that's annoying. Alors, I saw something fantasy, 30 tracks. Let's give it a try. Actually, it worked. Actually, it worked. Ah, can I reset that? I don't think I can, huh? It's also wrong because it should say continue there because I already gave access. So many problems, folks. So many problems. Well, after, to be honest, the flow of deleting your account. How far should we go to have a proper thing here? I don't know. Why the onboarding is not triggered? Fucking god. Okay. It's a bit annoying because if I'm doing this, it's gonna work, right? Speaking of this, this shouldn't work. Okay, I don't have any favorites, no. And everything is looking resetted. Ouais. I'm going to commit this into my coffee, deleting an account. Ding. Hello. I'm going to put this on pause, mute myself. See you in a bit. Unmute. And we are back. Reducing a bit the volume of the music. That's nice, this small chill music. I don't know, what do you think, but I like it. Okay. Bon, we have our deleting thing. What I wanted to do actually. Crap, I forgot. I totally forgot. I'm asking myself if I cannot do something which is settings. No, I'm really annoyed by this. It never changed, but I still don't remember this one. This I don't understand. I cannot. It cannot stay printed into my mind. 1.5 seconds. It should be all right. Lost everyone by just taking a break. Well done. Am I logged in? No. This coffee is fantastic. This is a roastery from Italy. I forgot where. I bought it during the Amsterdam Coffee Festival, and it's really good. Really, really good. So, delete my account. Let's go. Fuck. Don't understand what's going on. Should I dismiss the... How can I dismiss the settings view? That's gonna be funny, huh? Because I cannot. Not from the view model. My goodness, how can I do this? That's weird because it should work, huh? I really don't understand because the stuff is triggered. It looks like the view is... Sorry, I'm just seeing that my keyboard is going to stop because it has no battery anymore. Yeah, because if the user is logged out, I don't have any way to make a difference between logging out from deleting. Except if I'm publishing something new that is just one shot, that's a bit annoying. Well, after I'm doing it for this. Where is the onboarding? after user delete their account. Let's go. Alors, sorry. It means then here we are saying that self dot stuff is true. And that's the only purpose of it. I can do this there. And it means then here on change of viewModel dot is signed in. If settings is deleting user, self dot settings dot onboarding is complete, ethical alpha is now false. So it means that here I can remove this. Wait, because maybe that's why it doesn't work. Yes, that's because of that. But this should be working now. I hope. This coffee is very good. Was really good. Because it's empty now. Oh my goodness. That's my way to solve a good old school print with a really weird message. With the sun now, the weather, maybe it's the coffee actually. Oh, by the way, as you can see, I didn't have the onboarding. That's not good. That's not good. Ah. So this has not been triggered. That's interesting. So it means that for my app, the user is still logged in. My goodness. And this as well. Okay. Okay. That's a lot of print, huh? I know. Async call in a function that does not support concurrency. Ah oui? My apologies. My apologies again. Are you happy now? Non. So this is really not working, huh? Because this is not triggered at all, because I'm not logged in. I just deleted an account, and this... Ah, maybe that's the one that is missing. But it doesn't matter, it should be resetted when I'm... should it? Yeah, it should. That's really too much time for... Oh, Jeremy. For a simple feature as deleting an account. Alors, let's see what's going on. Ah bah voilà. Which one is it? So it's not the setting, it's here. Huh. Does it work? Still no onboarding. That's not good. That's really not good. No, we don't have any errors anymore, but we still don't have the fucking onboarding! Because nothing is happening from this one. Don't understand. Really, I don't understand because this is happening. This one is good. Let's give it another try. That's super weird, huh? I'm missing coffee. Still no onboarding. Something is not. Is it because I'm reinitializing the? It might be that actually. It's a bit annoying because. Logged out, true. Why? Nothing is happening. I'm so fuck. Jeremy, the view is disappearing, so of course it doesn't trigger anything. Let's put this here, for example. And you're gonna see that everything is gonna work. I'm so tired of myself. Ah la la. Voilà. No, I hope it's that. But it would be logic that now nothing is happening, it's written, so that means then here we don't have access to is deleting user anymore. Why? No, let's give it a try. because alors before, after. If before is equal to true, you display this. Otherwise, it's going to be displayed every time you're logging in. Let's see. Bon, we solve the thing. This is triggered, but for a certain reason, or after I'm thinking to do it like really dirty. Let's give it another try. So if I'm doing this, boom, that works. The only annoying part that is also going to be triggered when logging out. And this is a bit annoying. If I'm doing this, yeah, voila. Alors, another solution for this would be to do if settings voila, because it's there, huh? That's the thing that I don't understand. Sorry, I don't understand. So this we can delete because it works. And in settings, but we didn't have the no, we got is deleting user is true. So why? You know what? I'm going to do it like this. So when you're logging, you're starting to delete. Okay. Now this shouldn't trigger anything. Good. Perfect. And now we are deleting. Fantastic. That's a success. Maybe I spoke a bit too high. Sorry for your nose. No. For your ears. Sorry. We need to fix this, folks. Alors, I'm going to first save what we just did. On delete user shows onboarding. Let me check before that we have removed all the useless prints. No. This one. Digital product as well. Where is it? Product view model. All right. And we have this one. Okay, we are good. We are good. Commit. Bada boom. Alors, this one is ready. And we have on the onboarding view now something that we need to fix because I'm not happy to see that we have an undetermined access location because it is not true. Ah, it is true because the location has been no, it's not. Yeah, but the location is not accessed. Let me check that. Location manager, because that's why. That's the thing that this. Ah, let's see. Because the thing is, I don't want to trigger the alert view requesting authorization right away. You know what I mean? Good. Alors now we need to do another thing. Parfait. We are good. Now I'm doing this again. Fantastic! That was an easy one, huh? Onboarding. Location access fix. Well, we have a lot of things. So I'm asking myself if it's not also what they were saying when you're... no, because they cannot have the onboarding again. Where is... account deletion. Okay, so that's done. Privacy, data collection and storage. The app encourages directly to load the location. A custom message appears before the permission request and a processed user please give location exception. Use words like continue or next on the button instead. I really don't like this, man. A custom message appears before the permission request and the user can close the message and delete the permission request with a skip button. The user should always proceed to the permission request after the message. No, no, no. Permission requests give user controls of their personal information and it is important to respect their decision after. But I'm really disagreeing with that. What the fuck is that? This is so annoying. So it means that I need to remove the skip button. Oh, whatever. Whatever, Apple, whatever. And when we are on this one, we shouldn't display the skip. Except that I have no way to do that at the moment. Because the skip button is there all the time. No, it's not. Ah, interesting. That's here. No. Where the skip button is coming from. Am I blind or something? Ah, this is the one. No, it's not. Okay. This is the one. This is it. Alors, onboarding step. The permission views. Which one is it? work. Well, it's already 5 p.m. So we're live for 2 hours and 30 minutes, right? 2 hours, sorry. Yeah, you don't see the message. I met you at the Swift Island. Glad to see you're still working Swift. Thanks, man. I'm sorry I didn't see your message. I don't know who is Koi. I need to check this. Swift Island is really nice. Really nice Swift conference. I really liked the vibe when I went there 2 years ago now. No, a year ago. A bit more than a year ago. It was really great. I couldn't join this year. Thank you. What? Okay, so we have the skip button, we have back. If I'm doing this, we shouldn't. That's perfect. No, that's not perfect. Maybe we should just skip the thing. Ouais, but folks, it's gonna be too. So we didn't have the skip button, right? No, we don't. Okay, alors what I'm gonna do is do this. And then we'll be sure that it works as expected. I didn't know that you couldn't skip the thing. Okay. So you cannot skip. Continue. And let's go. Well, that's twice the button continue. That's also why I didn't want. What are they saying? Next. Well, maybe we should write next. So if it's not determined, we are using continue. If it's restricted, I shouldn't say that, because they are not going to be happy. And by default, we are saying continue. No, next as well. Okay, let's control. It works as expected. That's a lot of things, huh? Good. Parfait. Parfait, parfait, parfait. Perfect. All right. App Store review request. Perfect. So this one is done. Data collection and storage. One or more purpose strings in the app do not sufficiently explain the use of protected resources. Purpose strings must clearly and completely describe the app's use of data, and in most cases provide an example of how the data will be used. Update the location purpose string to explain how the app will use the request information and provide a specific example of how the data. Seriously? So that's about the location. So I think I did it actually. Because I think it's pretty clear what I'm saying. Huh? Kōtei needs access to your location to provide location-based services. Okay, you know what? My friend. Check first. Thank you, ChatGPT. Hopefully it will be enough. Okay, good. Let me check how it looks, because if it's really too long, it's also not great. It's funny because I put the skip buttons to not force the user to. Kōtei uses your location to help you discover nearby coffee and t-shirts. For example, you can show curated places near you where expert brews are served. That's good, right? It's kind of should be alright. Hopefully. Okay, commit this. What else? That's the last one, right? Okay. We notice that your app requires to purchase in-app purchase. No. Let's validate this because there is user-generated content. That's the only reason why I'm asking to log in. Alors. Log out. The fuck are they talking about? You don't need to be logged into. Oh, this shouldn't be. Ah no, this is possible because the user is not logged in. So, alors. let's keep it like this. Doesn't matter. I don't understand what they are talking about because you you don't need to be logged in to subscribe to anything. Okay, so what we are going to do, folks, is to make a build. Okay, that's gonna be it for today. I still don't understand this. I need to reply to this. It is optional. What the fuck are you talking about? I know, where are the screenshots? I'm good. Quite confident. I hope I'm not telling myself stories. We are going to sit for doing this. Are you building Xcode? You look like an old man. What are you doing? Thank you. Finally. I also need to check the statue of the subscriptions because I don't know what they want with that. No clue what to do with that. I tried to make it like a bit nice, you know. Why this is wrong? Can you explain to me? How long this should be? Okay. sorry, I'm talking with ChatGPT to have a proper. I'm going to try with this one. I'm going to put it everywhere. This is so stupid. Sometimes, seriously. The funny part, the really annoying part now, and I know I'm not the only one thinking like this, is to see how the rules are different for us, small people, and for the big, really not user-friendly companies. I really don't like this. So this is okay. And what is this one? Whatever. It's probably because there is this in the same thing. Submit for review. Thank you. Okay, we are good. Alors. Let's reply. EULA has been updated to be the same as displayed in the app. Then we have subscriptions, pricing has also been updated. I thought it was possible to display another yearly price per month if the total is displayed at the same time. If the yearly total is displayed as well. 3. Delete the account. Delete my account is now possible from the setting view just under out button. 4. I forgot about the location string, permission string. My apologies. It's clear now what it now explains what is the purpose, what is the benefit, what are the benefits for the user to allow the location access. 5. Sorry, it was 5. No, onboarding. Onboarding button has been content copy has been updated. So now we are reaching the 6th one. Okay, done. Apps cannot require user registration. This one I really don't understand. About the logging in the user account. The user account is required because there is some user generated content like submit. For now, submitting a new place. In the future, in the near future, recipes will be shareable as well. And available from the community feed tab. I don't understand what you mean with the subscription not being available without logging in, because the payroll works well without a user account. Can you give me more information about the flow you followed to have to come to this conclusion? That's a lot of text now. I think I never had to explain this before. I had a couple of discussions already with the App Store reviewer, but this one was huge. I'm going to check first the status of this. Okay. TestFly is telling me that I can install the app. I'm gonna do it and check if everything is alright, because there were a lot of things. In one build. And I'm starting to be hungry, to be honest. Can you do the thing, test flight, please? Thank you. Let's go. So this is good now. Good. My profile is still there. I have the delete my account button. The user ID is displayed. I'm good. Can I show display the onboarding, or is it already? Reset onboarding. Boom. I'm logged in. And that's good. So everything works. This is really good. This is really good. I have my feature flag that is completely broken. I need to check feature flag feature. Okay, build 146 is ready to submit a reply. Let's go. Let's go. Add a build. Tac, tac. We are good. So I'm. Are we good? Save. I have the feeling that this app is going to take for me forever to get published. Alors, if you want to test it, on the description of this video, you have a test flight link. App Store review, fix C's, copy adjustment. Voilà. Submit. Well, this one should be testing right away. Voilà. Voilà. So folks, you can now try this out. And I think, you know what? I'm kind of done for the day. It was a lot of things. After, to be honest, to be completely transparent, I was not expecting to finish the whole list today. Because I just scanned it without really having a proper focus on it. So I'm happy to see, sorry for the noise, that it went well. So tomorrow, well, let's do this actually. No, maybe I will do the topic tomorrow. No, I can't do it. How can I do this? I cannot being live and schedule another live for tomorrow. I don't think I can do this. So that's what I'm gonna do after stopping the After stopping the stream, I'm starting to be out of my mind. It's time for me to take a break, and I think I'm going to enjoy, because as you cannot see. Can you see if I'm doing this? No, you cannot see really. And there is a lot of sun outside. The temperature in Amsterdam at the moment is 14 degrees. Is it great? I think it is. Isn't it? Folks, I will see you tomorrow, because whatever the App Store thing is happening, there is still a lot of work to do on that app, and I have a list of backlog. You cannot imagine my backlog for this app. So that's what we are going to do tomorrow. I'll be there around the same time, maybe even earlier. I don't know yet. And I might also be streaming at the morning, but that as well, I'm not really sure. But at least I will be there tomorrow, same time, same place. Thanks for watching. If you watch the replay, if you are live, no, not at the moment. Thanks as well. Thanks to everyone who came, because it's so nice view number. And I see you next time. Cheers.